Today is Jada Kingdom's birthday.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.
Number one, trending topic. Attention to detail, everything microscopic. New post truck, man, pushing at the traffic. Welcome back to the Dancehall IG channel. Hope everyone is doing well out there today. Now today is Jada Kingdom birthday and we want to take the opportunity to say a happy birthday to her and hope she enjoy herself. And I know she will because she tweeted yesterday and said she going to enjoy herself. I'm going to show her that in a second, right? We'll also have a video from her family singing happy birthday to her. I'm going to show you something else where her mom posts. Her mom posts the video with her family singing happy birthday, right? And in addition to that, we don't know if everybody know this, but for the ones them that don't know, her significant other Versimans, his birthday was yesterday. Last year we did a video and we show say his birthday is one day before FR. So then basically just celebrate one birthday. We don't know what going on this year, but like me say, she make a tweet, me I go show her that in a second. Also me I go show her where her mom say, but me have the video with her family, I sing her happy birthday and I send a message to her. So me I go show her that, right? And then we get into the rest of it. So take a look at this. Here goes.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.
Big up Jada, mom every time. You're large.
Happy birthday to my granddaughter. Love you for life.
Happy birthday, my niece. More powers of God be with you in everything that you do. More strength, more love. Anna, big up yourself. Happy birthday, Jada.
Love you more than life, man. Me I tell you, man, everything great. Stand up.
Yeah, people, it's a good look for see Jada grandma and her auntie them come out and her rep for her, right? So shout out to her family, right? So people, her mother post that video and in the caption she say, happy birthday, baby, mommy loves you. May God continue to guide you. And she also says something in the story. Now people, I want to encourage to shout her out in the comment section. You know what I mean? Big her up on her birthday. I don't know what the thing is. So I say, I know say came up there and when I represent. So shout out to her also. So in the story now, this is what her mom says. She said, happy birthday, Jada, and I pray that God continues to strengthen you and give you a shoulder to lean on when you feel sad and to continue to lead you down the right path. So yeah, but like me say, also Jada tweet and she said she definitely I go enjoy this birthday, and I'm glad for her she said that because you don't know it, everybody deserves to have one special day at least, and it's perfect day. Their birthday is the perfect day. So this is what she tweet and said yesterday. She said, tomorrow my first birthday, not broke, I'm about to have a effing ball with our little Virgo sign. I don't know the thing. And shout out to all of the Virgo them too, I don't know what go on Virgo season. Big up on yourself. Right? Shout out to anybody that's having a birthday today or in close proximity, yesterday, tomorrow, the day after. You know what I mean? Shout out to them also. But people, I have to love Jada because Jada just keep it real. You know how much people would have probably, no one have to say that at the first birthday with them really, have money like that can spend and splurge on themselves. As an artist, a lot of artists wouldn't say that, but Jada keep it real. She don't care. She said, she put it out there, and we have to respect that. You see me? I love that. So yesterday was Versiman's birthday, like me did I tell you earlier, right? And it looked like Jada threw him a little surprise party. She flying all her friend them. So I have some clips for sure of how Jada plan it and what go on, right? So definitely shout out to it, two of them. So I say, big them up every time. So take a look at these clips. Here goes.
I'm sorry. I'm up with words, ability, everything. You know what it
is. So I had all of his closest friends fly in. Oh, gang, gang, gang. Yeah. Happy birthday, boy.
Yeah, people, so when I see what I go on, Jada throw him a surprise party. She say him they look surprised. All I'm friend them turn up where him never know say I got did him never expect that, right? So I go tell you know what she say in the caption though. She put in the caption and she say happy birthday to the man who always execute the effing plan. My general, thank you for loving me, teaching me, and most of all believing in me. You made everything make sense. Grateful for you in my life. I love you forever. Adverse right? And when I know say it's a good year for Jada, we definitely can say it's a good year for Jada. You see me, I say she got an international record deal. She had a hit song, you know, me I talk about Feelings remix, you know, a Fiar and Diana song. Definitely after not, you know what I mean? She have only more song pan road too, so I know that's that, but that was a big song. You don't understand what me I say, right? So definitely it's a good year, and hopefully next year and all the years them after is a good year for her, right? So like me say again, shout her out in the comment section and happy birthday to her one more time. Hope she enjoy today, right? So people, before I cut out though, I have a thing when I see Chanel Muir post yesterday, and I just want to show you this just for laugh, because she laugh about it. You see me, I say, definitely we never seen nothing like this before, so we definitely have to just giggle when we see it. But she posted this yesterday, and she say, I'm gonna just go ahead and log out now. My father style me, right? So what this is a conversation, WhatsApp conversation with her and her father, and like she texts him, send him a 2 picture and say, show last night in Hartford, tear it down. And him reply and say, nice, you finally found yourself a outfit. So she definitely, you see me, I say, she definitely know with it, you see me. She say, I style, him style her, you see me. And even when Traffics post it now, she comment over Traffics and she said, I feel like change him password and block him, right? So change him Facebook password and block him, sorry. So definitely me heard that take that talk. You see me, more people, that's it. So if it's your first time on this channel, you like this video, please go ahead and subscribe. If you just subscribe, welcome to the Dancehall IG family. To all my long-time subscribers, thank you for being here. Stay safe out there, big up on yourself. Send Jada some happy birthday greetings. And just have a wonderful day or night or whatever time it is, wherever you are. All right, I'm out.
We got that one in my AP. Dancehall IG. Atina! Excuse me. Dancehall IG. Rich. Punk. Should know. 10 to blacks. Yeah,